Hey everyone, this is question 19 from the Geometry TNReady practice test. The question says, parallelogram RSTU is shown. The perimeter of a parallelogram RSTU is 50 centimeters. Now, when we do the perimeter, that's the distance all the way around. I'm going to check the perimeter, means I'm going to walk around the building. So when I have this, you can use the formula 2 length plus 2 width equals perimeter. But I don't really want to do that. I would rather just, okay, give me all these pieces. So, if this is 2x plus 15 and it's a parallelogram, this one opposite would be the same. 3x plus 20. Now I have all the pieces that I need to go all the way around. So if I add them up, that would give me the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 2x plus 15 plus 3x plus 20 plus 2x plus 15 plus 3x plus 20. This is supposed to be a 0 and not a 6. I realize how much it looks like it now. I tend to underline all of my single, the x of 1, I should say. If it's x squared, I do 2 lines. If it's x to the third, I do 1 line above. And for my constants, I do the box. Just because I don't want to miss them. And those are the ones I always miss when I make a mistake. Now, I have this, and I also know that the perimeter is 50 centimeters, so I'm going to go ahead and put 50 right here. Now I'm ready to combine like terms, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, that would be 5 and 5 is 10, 10x. 2 20s is 40, 2 15s is 30, 40 and 30 is 70. Now I just have to solve. Here's x, I'm trying to get it by itself. The furthest thing was plus 70, so I'm going to subtract 70. Negative 20 equals 10x divided by 10 on both sides. And x is equal to negative 2. Now, you may think, well, how can I get a negative number if it's a length? Well, even with there being a negative number, 3 times negative 2 is only negative 6, so this 20 balances it out because 20 minus 6 is still 14. So you can still have a positive length. It's just that they've created a large overall value here with their constant in order to make it a length that's still above 0. So you can have a negative x value. I couldn't have a negative length, so I have to pay very close attention to what they're asking me. If they had said, tell me the length of ST, I would substitute this value back in and get that 14 that I mentioned before. If they wanted this one, I would do 2 times negative 2, which is negative 4, plus 15 to give me 11. So answer the question they ask you, because that's what they'll get you sometimes. In the ACT, it's the same thing. They'll ask you a question, and you'll answer it correctly for the wrong thing, and it won't count. So there you go.